Okay, so what we're going to talk about is what I like to call interactive governance. So we called our nice little hackathon SailPoint Chat. And basically how it works is if you've ever had to do an approval or an access certification, you always kind of find yourself asking yourself this question like, do I really want to approve this or should I be approving this? It'd be nice if I could actually talk to the person and ask them a couple of questions. But you don't want to jump out into an email or pick up the phone or walk over to them. You just kind of want to get it all done right then and there. So it's kind of a problem with enterprise applications right now that handle identity and access governance. So what we did was we took that problem and said, all right, let's find a way to integrate the ability to chat with whoever you want to chat to while you're doing that approval. And so we called that SailPoint Chat, taking the SailPoint identity and governance platform and adding in the ability to quickly chat with somebody while you're doing an approval. So very simple, but adds a very powerful engagement aspect to be able to do approvals or access certifications. So with that, we're going to take a quick demo of it real quick.
Sure.
Bring up Adam. Yep. Boom.
So this is our platform login screen. I'm going to pretend like I'm logging in for the first time of the day. My name's going to be Albert Woods. I'm logging in, and as soon as I log in, I see I'm greeted with that I have 8 approvals waiting for my attention. So I'm going to go click through there. I'm going to see all these work items that are assigned to me, including the latest approval, which is for this Annie Chavez, and she's waiting to be approved for a business role. And in this case, the business role is accounts payable. So, you know, there's likely that she maybe just started today, or she just changed job positions and she needs this new access. But I don't know why the administrator in this case is the person requesting it. That normally that'd be a manager requesting their access. So what I can do here now is I can hit this chat with requester, which will load up a chat with the administrator. Hello, administrator. Can you hear me? She probably got a sound off. Turn your sound on. Hello.
Ready?
Oh.
Get ready for what?
Okay, there you go.
Connected already. Here we go.
Okay.
They're having a little trouble on their end.
Wow.
Hi.
I can hear you.
Okay.
I see you.
Good. Hello, system administrator. I see that you requested an access
Maybe
request
it's
for Andy
the
Chavez.
internet connection. The connection might not be good.
Anyway, in this case, this user would, if they could operate a computer, would be, you know, telling me why they requested that access for Andy Chavez. So I could ask them, you know, you're the system administrator, why is their manager not active? And they might say that user escalated to them to request it because they're having trouble with their interface or something. And so then at that point, I would go through and based on what they've told me, I can then approve their access and then go through the rest of the process. Now that access is improved, now our platform actually goes and provisions all the necessary access in AD or, you know, the might be Oracle EBS, whatever their system they're connected to, it goes out and provisions that access and the process is done. So instead of going back and forth through emails to try and decide, you know, is this access request appropriate, we've just done it in real time in 30 seconds.
Perfect. Great job, guys.
There it is.